Let's see the second question. It says here a cube, a cube. And we talked before that a cube has only flat surfaces. It doesn't have any curved surface, right? And we talked before, how many faces do we have for a cube? Can you remember? Let's draw it together and remember together. So, we have this one here, and here, then we have this. Okay, now let's count how many faces, okay? This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. Okay? 4, 5, and finally 6. Okay, and if you have any object that has a cube shape, you can count how many faces, and you can find that it has only 6 faces. And we talked before what is the shape of the face for a cube, and we said it's a square, right? So now let's check the objects here. The first one here, the wooden block. Does it look like a cube? Does it have only flat surface? What is the shape of the face here, right here, and here, and here? Excellent. So this is a cube. Excellent. Good job, boys and girls. Now let's move to the next shape. This shape. This shape is a soccer ball. So this football looks like what? It has only curved shape, so it can roll. Now, what is the name of this shape? It's a sphere. Excellent. Now, let's move to the next shape here. This is a glass. Okay, you can use it to drink juice or water, any liquid, okay? Now, what is the shape of this glass? Good job, excellent. But before we can say it's I know what you have said, but I'm not going to say it anyway. Let's check the shape first. So here we have a flat surface, another flat surface, and this shape can roll. So it's right, as you have said, this is a cylinder. Okay, now let's check the last shape here. This block that has number 2, 3, and 6. Is it a cube? Excellent. Yes, it is. It is a cube. So we are going to circle it. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. The next question says, write the number of sides and the number of vertices. So here we are asked to do 2 things. The first thing is to count the number of sides and write the number, and to count the number of vertices and write the number. Now let's see the first shape, the quadrilateral, this shape. Okay, now let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many sides do I have? I have 4 sides here. And how many vertices? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 vertices. Good job, boys and girls. A quadrilateral can be a trapezoid, rectangle, square, any 2-dimensional shape that has 4 sides. Okay, now let's move to the next shape. It's a pentagon. So let's count the sides first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have how many sides? 5 sides. Excellent. Let's count how many vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here we have five vertices. Okay, now let's count here for the hexagon. Let's count together how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here we have 6 sides. Good job. And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have here 6 vertices. So here we can notice that a quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 vertices. So the number of the sides equal the number of vertices. For a pentagon, which has 5 sides, it has also 5 vertices. So the number of sides equal to the number of vertices right here. For a hexagon, which means a shape that has 6 sides, the number of sides is equal to the number of vertices. Okay? So, as I told you before, a quadrilateral can be a trapezoid, a rectangle, it can be a square, it can be rhombus. It has different shapes, but all of them have 4 sides, 4 vertices. That's why we call them quadrilateral. Okay, now let's see the last question. How many angles does this shape have? Okay, now we have explained before that an angle is created when a side meets another side. We got an angle here. Okay, so let's see, whenever 2 sides meet together, they will create an angle. Let's count the number of angles together. Okay, here is an angle, here is another angle, and here is one more angle, and finally this one. Let's count how many angles do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here we have 5 angles. Can you tell me what is the name of this shape? Think about it. Excellent. Good job, boys and girls. It's a pentagon. It's a pentagon. Good job, boys and girls. Now, I hope you understood this quick revision. I want you to study hard and do your best. I love you so much. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye.